Okay, so this one has a lot in it. This, I'm using cardstock for my stash. My photo mats are craft cardstock. And this one I use a lot of embellishments. I use the frames are from can't think here. I got a little headache. So as soon as I'm done, Summer Bliss. Sorry, Hip Kit Club Summer Bliss. And so that's what the Polaroid frames are from. And that Love This is also from there. Chipboard sticker is also from the Hip Kit Club Summer Bliss collection. So are the stars. The clear sticker is from Amy Tangerine. I use over that heart, the black heart, I use a phrase. I don't remember what it. Oh, I have it right here. Let me see. It says summer, and that one I take from Crepe Paper's Oasis. Gosh, I need a good foot massage. My feet are so achy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's awful. Like I'll be asleep and then when I wake up to use the bathroom or when my alarm goes off and I gotta get up for work, I'll step down and oh my gosh, my feet hurt. It's awful. Sitting in the chair for too long. So pretty much everything on this page is from the Hip Kit Club Summer Bliss, with the exception of the clear sticker and the phrase sticker Summer. So these are like, I think these are the last of my stickers. I have scrapbooked of my nieces by the pool. Yeah, it looks like it. I think I pulled all of those out, and I don't have really any summer pictures left. Although, you know what? Let me see here. Let me pull out my pictures. I do have looking to see. I think I have her where she's eating a popsicle. A lot. Sandbox. That's why I had those pictures I need to scrap. Oh, she is so look like my sister Heather. Oh my goodness. I have a picture of Heather who has that same face and it looks just like her. OMG. That is not so. Oh, here's this one. It says excited to be getting a freezy. Aw, she's so stinking adorable. I should have did that one with the ice cream, the popsicles. She's got, I wonder what that is. She's got her hand on her forehead like, oh no, and she's crying. Crazy kid. She's got the craziest facial expressions. So I thought there was one where she was, oh, right here, she did have a popsicle. Oh, well. That's okay. That's all right. I'll let it go. Anyway, so I'm just continuing to lay down all these because I was like, what? How can I use up a lot of embellishments? And so I saw all those frames and I was like, oh, what if I scatter those all over my page and then do clusters of embellishments inside? And so that's what I did. And then I'm going to use Good Life as my title. I just added the using some really old October afternoon stickers from a Scraptastic kit. And then that pretty much completes this layout. So when I have more done, and this is the last of the ones I have completed, so I will have to make more, hopefully before I go back to work. So when I get those done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.